YouTube, how's it going? John with Herman Woodworks. Just doing a quick little video tonight. I wanted to sneak back out and do some more milling, but I actually wanted to do a little bit of a review video for once. Everybody's been watching, anybody that's been watching, I've been running a little box fan, well actually like a post fan, just to kind of vent some of the fumes out of my building. Well, guess what? It's time to upgrade. Let's see what we got. Boom. 36-inch barn fan. My father, I can't believe he had this tucked away somewhere. He hasn't used it. It's like 8 to 10 years old, maybe even older. He's probably got it from Tractor Supply or something, but one of the bigger stores like that. But literally had the plastic bag on it still. Let's open her up. All right, so yeah, brand new. Still got the cord bunched up on it here. She's a beaut. I don't even know if she's multi-speed or anything like that. All I know is we'll have that blowing across the mill. I'll open the door up, be able to blow some stuff out. So let me get this thing plugged in, get the cord undone, and let's fire this baby up. All right, so got her plugged in. So this is a Big Country Breeze. Like I said, I'm guessing, who knows, this they probably don't even make it anymore. He's had it in he has a big car garage. He probably had it in there for 10 years. Looking at it on the switch, does appear to be probably 2-speed. Let's see what she says. The only thing I'm vaguely worried about is if it's going to trip my breaker, because I still am just running a power cord out here. So, all right. Let's start it up at 1 speed. All right, that was making the lights dim. All right, so let's try this again. Reconfigured my cords so I wasn't drawing off a multi-tap thing. So let's see now, getting some better power pull off here. Let's see if this thing fires up now. I don't think it's my power. I think my dad let this thing sit too long and now she needs a kickstart. All right, so end up figuring out after taking pretty much everything apart on this fan, even though it was brand new like 10, 12 years ago and it's never been used, that the capacitor on this was bad. So if anybody gets a big fan, this, like I said, this is a Big Country Breeze. I guess there's a lot of other models that are very similar to it. If you go to turn it on and you can hear like it's getting power, but it won't start spinning. But if you grab it and it'll rotate a little bit, chances are your capacitor is bad and it's not getting full power. So literally a piece, basically a big fuse, I guess. This particular one, the one that was originally on this, had 4 prongs. The replacement ended up having 2. I'm going to try and do a link. I went with a company, this All Parts Equipment and Accessories. They're out of Michigan. We're here in Ohio, so they were able to get the part in the mail and get it to me really quick. Was really pleasantly pleased with it. They even sent it with a replacement housing because I hit this one by accident. But yeah, so let's turn this thing on so everybody can, not like you're gonna feel it, but I can tell you it blows some air. All right, in case anybody's wondering if you think you're having a capacitor problem with your fan, like I said, this, looking at the front of it, like I said, this one being a belt drive, obviously there's your electric motor, and then right underneath it, take those screws off, and then there's one end, or one screw at the end, it's a cap, and like I said, the model they'll send you usually has, I guess, or at least this one came with a new housing for around it, but the capacitor's right inside there. So, all right, a quick review. Like I said, this model is 2-speed, and I'll show you low. Not that you guys can feel the breeze on you or anything like that, but at least you can maybe see it here, get an idea what kind of air is moving. So this is low. I'll tell you what, even on low, this thing moves quite a bit of air, but yeah, we'll end up kicking it on to high. All right, guys, that wraps it up for this quick little video, just reviewing a big fan. So I'm a big fan of the big fan. So anyways, the way I'm going to be setting this up in the shop now is have the fan here, blowing right over the mill, making sure I'm forcing the air outside, keeping it fresh in here. Most everything in here is still pretty open. You know, I haven't closed up the ceiling or that yet, so I'm not built. You know, most of the fumes are going out real quick, but yeah, just wanted to, especially with summer coming up, just wanted it to feel a little nicer in here. But like I said, that wraps up the video. If anybody has any questions, feel free to comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and take care.